good afternoon, whatever time it is. So I saw this girl on Instagram about cluster lashes and she didn't know how to do them. So I was like, I know how to do them, so I'm just gonna make a quick video. If she sees this, cool. If not, somebody will see it. It might be helpful. So what she had in the video were cluster lashes. You can buy them on Amazon. You can get, oh my god, I'm so red. You can get them anywhere. I got them from Amazon. If I can find it, I'll list it down below. I get C-curl cluster lashes, and basically what that means is it's just not as curly as a D curl. Most cluster lashes are D's. There's some D's on it. When I commented on her page, I said that I recommended the like a liner type of glue, and that's because you can just put it on the band of the lash. The thing that you want to look into is a lash primer. So this is actually an eyebrow primer, so don't follow me on this step and actually get a lash primer. You can typically get a lash primer on Amazon for lash extensions. Even though you're not doing lash extensions, this would be really, really good just to prep and cleanse the area. And I'm just priming lashes. What I like to do is just drop a little bit and then shake it off to make sure that there's no excess on there, because you really don't want that to disrupt what you have going on. And I do prime on the bottom lash just to make sure there's no additional oils on there. What I like to do is to make sure that my tweezers don't have any glue residue or anything on it. So I'm just going to take alcohol and a piece of cloth and just make sure it's cleansed. Last thing that you want to do is start applying your lashes, and then they stick to the tweezers. Hold it how I would hold it as if I was doing lashes on a client. And what I like to do is to make sure that all 4 of my fingers are on one side, and then I have my thumb at the, I'll say about like 1/3-ish away. So thumb's here. Pinky is really what does most of the action. These kind of just rest on it, but the pinky is what holds to make sure that this is closed completely. Okay? And pick a lash. I have my glue, and this is the Duo Quickset Strip Lash Adhesive. Looks like this. And then what I'm going to do is take a small amount and just put it at the base. So look up. I'm gonna go here. And I just have to go to the mirror so I can see the inner corner. That's it. And I think I'm gonna leave it at that, because those super, super inner corners, the hairs there are like baby hairs. It usually falls out, so I don't really worry about it too much. That's it.